Some tram lines this year are an absolute joke. I didn't even go in this one here. But yeah, absolutely ridiculous. There's something on this field that caused that problem with it you saw earlier of us repairing that sledge. Hi guys, I'm out collecting bales, which is about all I've been doing this week. Got several stacked around here. I'm on my own now, so I put the loaders there. I've now got to walk back across the field to get me trailer and jump in that. Hope it's not too windy because it's quite breezy today. But yeah, get in there. So yeah, not really much to film. You've seen me load trailers before. You see others load trailers, so yeah. When you're chasing them around on a field like I am now, because they're all individually, because as you heard before, my sledge has gone doo-dally. So yeah, it takes quite a long time to collect them all. I do have a young lad who comes and helps me in the evening. Obviously now it's what, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so now I've got to jump this ditch. Yeah, I'm through the ditch now, just got to walk across to me trailer. Yeah, I've cleared several fields. There was 14 fields we did in this section. And I've done, how many have I done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'm on the 8th one. That'll be the last Heston one. Then I've got all the midis to do. Hi guys, I'm loading this trailer here. I thought I'd try and do a bit of film with me picking up the bales and how it works, because obviously with these bales you have to flip them over. So I've got a mount down there. I'm just going to stick it on there and you can see me watch. I haven't got many of these ones left, and then I'm onto the midis which are over there. So I'm just going to mount it on here and see how we get on. This is how we do it. Go up to the bale with the tines like that, flip over like that, reverse back, go in there, put tines in, lift it up, then go to the second one, which is just here. Coming in view in a second, there we go. Hit the top of it, roll it over. So that's 2, put the tines in. Can't see the top, but there's now got 2 bales on there, and the third bale's just on here. Go on here, there's the third bale, lift it up, you'll be able to see it, underneath there. Hit the top of it. Push it over, line it up, and go back to the bottom of the bale. 2 string, I'm just above the second string, and pick the whole lot up. I lift the loader up a bit so you can see where we're going. Back to the trailer. Quite a bit of vibration on the camera I can see, but it feels this year mega rough. So this isn't too bad, but some of them have been absolutely shocking. Some of the tram lines have been ridiculous. As you saw at the beginning of this video, we were repairing the sledge wheel that fell off. But the tram lines there were absolutely ridiculous. So I don't know how the farmer gets such bad tram lines, but then you can just see the wheels of the trailer. There we go. Right, that's how you pick up 3 bales. Right, here we go. That's all that Heston's done. We're now in this field here of midis. And with the midis, it's simple up. You basically go into the bale, pick it up, find the next nearest one, plonk it on top, square, then pick both them up, go to the next nearest one, which is just there, you saw it in the corner of the shop there, plonk it on top, pick 3 up, and go to the next
bale which is there, just all that in the shop there. Dry it on, put it on top. I'll pick all 4 up and then off you go to the trailer. Whether it takes longer to pick up 4 midis and 3 Hestons, I have no idea, because obviously you don't have to flip them, so it's quick from that point of view. Obviously you have to do 4 pickups instead of 3. Anyway, right, we'll now go over locals here at the trailer. Right, there's the trailer coming into view. I don't know if you can see that the stack third one back, just at the left of the post in the middle there, is midis. You can't see it now, it's off the shop, but midis are lots of tall. I don't understand why, because midis are 90 centimetres tall. So what's 90 times 4? 360 centimetres, isn't it? Well, the Hestons are 120 wide, so times that by 3 is 360. So I have no idea why midis are less high than other ones are, but that's how it is. Right, let's go put the side down, get away with this load.
Right, my helper's arrived. It's now about 8:30, 8:45. Just loading another load of straw here. Makes so much difference having him stand them bales up and be able to chase them all the way around the field. Not that you can see much this time of night, but yeah, it saves me no end of time. We can load in about 6 or 7 minutes, I think. So yeah, it's definitely a lot quicker. And now we're on midi, so they fit in the trailer so much easier. Do that up there. They sit inside because they're 2 of them is 2.4 wide, but when you flip the headland around, that's 2.6. And that extra, is that right? 1.3, no? 1.3 2.6, yeah, that extra 20 centimetres makes all the difference. So yeah, with that, especially when you're on your own, yeah, fitting properly, you have to get out and push the ones at the top in and everything, so yeah, it's far easier with this. Put the back one there in at an angle, and then you push that in with the next 4 bales. Can't really see, but lots of bales at the back there, they're going round. That's in. Then you've got 2 more packs here to put in. Right, here we are, guys. I'm now on this last load. Well, there's actually 37 bales on that field, and the loader's behind that stack of 4 in there, so it'll be 36, and then it'll be come back and get the loader with 1 bale. So yeah, it's been a lot of straw down here. I don't know how many loads I've done, 20 something or other. So yeah, it's taken me several days to do it. I can do 8 loads a day. It's not that far, it's just because I have to chase most of the bales around and unload and everything. It just takes so long. It's good job I've got this trailer with the sides on, which makes it a lot easier. Yeah, just got to jump in this load here and get this one loaded. Right, here we are, almost finished. Baling here. Back on our own land now. Yeah, I've done this fair, and you see all my bales still out singly, still haven't sorted the sledge. It's going to not happen this season now, so there aren't many bales, it's not very thick straw, and I'm tanking it along. We're about 14 kilometres now, so yeah, nearly there. Coming to the end of this row, this will be the end of baling for 2024, so I'll be glad about that. Yeah, don't worry, the film won't stop. There's still plenty of stuff to do. I've got, well, for a start, all these bales have got to be stacked and carted, haven't they? So I've got loads of stuff to do, and I've got go into cultivations, all that sort of thing. So yeah, we've got plenty for farmers team to do. Yeah, so we are now here the last few yards, meters, inches, feet, whatever you want to call it. Depends which century you were born in, I think. So
So yeah, we're just coming to the end here. Just got to wiggle around this bale. So there's a little bit around the corner there. There we go. Just getting this last little bit here. Put it in the baler. Well, you can really see much because the screen's all messed up and dirty. Right, baling is finished. Obviously combine's finished. Combine finished probably about an hour ago because I've literally been baling today what he's been cutting. So yeah, we're all done. So now back to the yard, put it in the shed because it's going to rain. So if you look out there, oh, whoops, what there? It's a bit dark out there. Some rain coming, storms, that sort of thing tonight. So I'm going to get as many of these bales stood up as I can. Just going to take this back and put it back in the shed in the dry, if I can get it in, if there's room.